Pretty nice haircut there, Thomas.
Thanks, man.
How long did that take you to grow, bro?
It was actually the whole year of 2020. All I've been doing is wearing hats and hiding it, and today is my great reveal.
The big reveal.
The big reveal of the Hyatt mullet.
Wow.
Yep.
You heard it here, the Hyatt mullet.
The Hyatt
So it
mullet.
took all of 2020 for him to grow that.
All of 2020.
What else has 2020 looked like for some people? Man?
Bro, 2020 has been ugly just like this haircut. Like, it's been ugly, okay? People have lost their jobs. People have been not working, right? People have lost hours at their jobs.
Yeah.
A lot of businesses have shut down, okay?
Yeah.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah.
And all I want to say is it was ugly, okay? It was ugly. I'm not trying to diss on anyone that has a mullet, but it's just not a pull-off for me, okay? I've been hiding it, and my great reveal has been ruined because I don't like it, okay? But what I want to say is that 2020 did suck, for one, but there's a thing coming up right now, you know, and it's a big thing called 2021. Okay, adding one number onto the year changes everything. All right, but no, seriously, guys, the start of a new year, right? It should motivate you. It should give you a passion to want to change something in your life. Okay, now with 2020, right? I feel like the biggest thing that affected people was finances. Okay, financial burdens were one of the biggest problems from 2020, which caused a lot of different mental health issues, a lot of different issues within families, a bunch of different stuff going on, guys. Finances are terrible right now. But what I want to say is 2021, the year that's going to be better, right? You have the opportunity, just like me and Matt, I have the opportunity to cut my hair, right? I just haven't yet. But you have the opportunity to start a business, okay? You have the opportunity to be an entrepreneur, make your own hours, decide how much you get paid, all of that kind of stuff, guys. And the way by doing that is selling things online, okay? Now, online sales have skyrocketed in the year of 2020, and 2021 is just gonna keep going up, you know? And so, Matt, tell me about what company has just killed it in 2020.
Guys, specifically, Amazon is killing it. In just Q3, it's been almost 90 billion. 90 billion for Bezos and Amazon, guys.
That's a lot of money, guys. And if you could just get a part of that pie, like I'd be great with 0.1% of $90 billion. I would be completely happy with that, okay?
Me too.
I don't know what that would come out to, but I'm sure I could do it in the post-production. Okay, but what I want to say, guys, is that there are opportunities to sell on Amazon, okay? I feel like a lot of people don't know that you can sell on Amazon. I feel like a lot of people realize that, like, they think when they go on Amazon, it's just big companies, like Amazon selling products, or like Adidas, like Nike, like other different big brands out there, okay? But 60% of the things sold on Amazon are done by people like Matt and myself, and even people like you, okay?
Sitting at home.
Yep. And so all you have to do, guys, is click the link below, and it's just a free training of learning about selling on Amazon. That's it. It's no gimmick. There's nothing that's going to happen. All it is a free training of you learning what Amazon FBA is and learning how to sell on Amazon, all right? And so click the link below, guys. I'm going to go cut my hair like right now because I got to get this out of here, guys. It's messed up, bro. But I'm going to go get my hair cut. I want you to go watch this video, and by the time I'm done, we're going to talk again, and we're going to figure it out, all right? I love you.
See you guys.